Hello team, welcome back to another video for Tirebase. In this video we're going to see how to create a credit memo and how to apply that to a customer. So quick note before we start, this credit memos can only be applied to terms customers, so it cannot be applied to cash on delivery customers. So make sure you have, if you want to make this procedure, that your customer has terms basically. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to the work order section, and here's the situation. Let's say a customer comes in and they want to buy some tires. So we're gonna search for our terms customers. In this case, this is my term customer, and we're gonna select a tire from here. Okay, it's gonna be this tire. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add 2 tires of these, and we're gonna have, well, let's put 4 here so we can have that for the 4 tires. Okay, 326.42. Okay, so this is going to be the balance. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on finalize directly, and the system is going to allow us to send this to the customer's balance as terms. So if we click yes, finalize, the system is going to actually put a pending balance there, so we can pay eventually. And in this case, if we select, so this is the order. Let's just say the customer comes back for those 4 tires, with those 4 tires, and he says, you know what, I don't need this 4 tires, so I would like to have a refund. In this case, you cannot do a refund, as you can see. So these refunds can only be done for customers that do have COD. But in this case, what we need to do is we're going to go into the customers module, so you can click here. The system is going to open another tab with your customer's information. And as of now, this is the pending balance that the customer needs to pay. Okay, and the order we did is this one. So as you can see, it has the amount due here, and the amount paid hasn't been paid anything. So right now, if we verify that order, here's the information of the tire that we just did, and the status is pending, as you can see. So what we need to do is we need to create a credit memo so we can make a refund, a proper refund for a terms customer. And here's the information of the customer. It's a terms customer, as you can see. And it's not a COD customer, it's a terms customer, okay? So we're going to go back to the order section, and we're going to select credit memos. Under the work orders module, we're going to select credit memos. And from here, guys, what we can do is we can start creating the credit memo. So in this case, I'm going to select the customer. This is the customer. And from here, we're going to click, or we're going to select our product. And we're going to try to match that balance that we just did with the invoice. As you can see, this is the amount we're going to try to match. We're going to put 4 of these, 326.42, 326.42. Perfect. So right now we can close this order, this credit memo. And once we click finalize, the system is going to take those tires and it's going to be added to our current inventory. So the invoice itself, what it did is it took 8 tires from our inventory, 4 tires from our inventory, sorry, and it added this amount to pay. In this case, this amount, this balance to the customer. And what the credit memo does is once you select, you create the credit memo, the system is going to add those tires to your inventory back. So it's going to work backwards as how the work orders section or module works basically. So if we go back to the customer's details, we're going to refresh the page. And now we're going to see, as you can see, this is the invoice we did. And this is the credit memo we did. So as you can see, the totals match here. So what we need to do is we're going to go to the Pay Now option. And from here, you can arrange your information as you need to add that. But from here, we can select the closing date. In this case, we have a 226.42, which is going to be this one, 326.42 and 326.42. This is the invoice and this is the credit memo. What we need to do is we're going to select the credit memo, and then we're going to select the invoice. Okay, totals match, and then we can click save. The system is going to let us know the credit is going to go all the way down from 326.42 as credit. As you can see, this is a minus. It's going to go all the way down to balance 0. It's going to consume the whole credit, and the invoice is to pay the one that we created, also with 326.42, but this is debt. It's gonna go all the way down to balance zero as well. So once we click yes, proceed, we are done basically with the refund. Our tires came back to our store, and also the amounts went down to zero, the credit memo and the invoice. So if we were to verify that information, we can go in here, select all, so we can see the pending status for all orders. Okay, and we're gonna find here, it is the invoice. As you can see, invoice has been paid. The information is in here. It was paid with a credit, and the credit basically it went down to zero as well, so it's paid as well. Okay, but yeah, this is the procedure on how you can apply credit memos, how you can create credit memos, and how you can apply to orders. Let us know if you have questions regarding this procedure, and have a good day.